Dude, you should have put it in its barrel, man. Go put it out.
Go put it out.
Go pinch your fingers out. Put it out. Why? Because there's a barrel in here. You should have put it. Stuff that barrel on top of it.
Watch these guys jump out. Can you get them in the background?
They're in the background. Damn, dude.